早上好。我们现在是第3次在皮划艇的一个训练。今天的河流是教练是说是像蛇形一点会玩，因为第2次的时候我们已经是第二次的时候我们已经学了皮划艇的桨的用法和转弯等等了，所以今天稍微难度大一点。总共是7天的训练营，现在已经是把那个艇拿下来了。这是今天的河流的状况。
Not worth it.
No.
You can get my shop video.
Okay.
Okay, so if this is the kayak, okay, the water is going this way. What happens? Okay, you got to take the kayak now. Put your bag somewhere. The kayak. Where is the main current? What is the water doing? Well, where is it going?
To there.
No, it's not going there. Where is it going first?
To you.
If I'm water, do I have a brain if I'm water?
No.
So where's water gonna go? If this is water. Keep going, keep going. Where is it going? There's no brain. How can it make a turn if it has no brain?
Oh.
So what's the water doing? Boing! Exactly. So the water is going in here. Boing! And then it's gonna push off, right? Doing, 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 doing. Right? Forward right. Forward right. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Forward right again. Forward right. Look where you want to go. Forward right. Lean forward with your upper body. Forward right. Forward right. Whoa, forward right. Yes. Very good. That was good. Okay, now we try again to go back to mom. And that's it. How's your back? Okay? Okay, you ready? Go see mom. Well, you want to see mom, right? Okay. All right, now lean forward. Forward left, forward left, forward left. And look at mom. Look at mom. You want to end up where mom is. Are you ending up where mom is? No. Maybe you need to do less left. So just look around you. Okay. All right, turn around. Forward left. We have to do one more time. What?
结束了，把船放到车上去。我们现在回程喽。